In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sound packs to Serato Studio. Now, the first thing you have to do is actually get a sound pack you want to add. Now, the easiest way to do this would be from their official website where they have a bunch of different ones, okay? So, this is their official website on Serato.com, and as you can see here, they have sound packs. They have like all of them over here. They have the free ones, hip hop, trap, EDM, etc. Okay? I'm gonna click on free packs over here, and I'm just going to get one of these right now. So for example, I'm going to use this Essential West Coast Hip Hop. I'm going to click on download and it's going to download it onto my computer. Of course, you may have to sign in to be able to do this. And then when this is downloaded to your computer, you simply want to click on it. As you can see, you don't even have to extract. It's just automatically a file over here, which is Serato Pack. You want to click on that. And then from here, as you can see, it's going to open up this specific file. So you may have to wait for a few seconds for this to actually happen, but it's going to open up the file on your computer and then you'll be able to install that specific pack, okay? So if it doesn't open, like in my case, you may have to close it before you can actually install. So you may have to close down Serato Studio just like this. And when you click on this button, it's going to close down and then just reopen and you should be able to find it, okay? In here, you can see, there we go. Here I have successfully installed this. If I go to projects, it's automatically realizing I've actually installed these things over here. Now, if I double click on a different one, which I actually also installed, you'll see that those are also going to pop up in here as well, okay? So that's how easy it is to do this. You simply download it, you double click on it, wait for a few seconds, and then inside projects over here, and of course everywhere, you'll be able to find your sound packs, okay? If they're not loading, simply close down your Serato Studio, reopen it, and you should be able to find them, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.